In recent days, social media in the United States has been buzzing after people noticed that certain documents related to former President Donald Trump were suddenly removed from the official Department of Justice website. The disappearance of these files immediately raised a wave of questions. Was this simply a technical update, or was something more significant happening behind the scenes? To understand the situation clearly, we need to look back at the legal context from the past year. The documents tied to Trump, indictments, reports, and various investigative files, have been publicly available so citizens can follow every development. Whenever those files are taken down, even temporarily, it draws major attention because it directly touches on government transparency. What makes this incident more intriguing is the timing. The files disappeared right when the media was intensely focused on the upcoming election. The ongoing legal battles and heated debates between the two political parties. Naturally, people began asking, who ordered this removal? And what exactly was the reason? From the perspective of someone who has worked inside law enforcement, I can say that there are three common explanations when something like this happens. The first possibility is a system update. Government websites regularly upgrade their security, rebuild servers, or reorganize file structures, and during these transitions, some documents might temporarily vanish. The second possibility is a legal review. When a document contains sensitive information, or information that could cause misunderstandings, the legal team may take it down briefly to verify accuracy or remove protected details. And the third possibility is political timing. During an election cycle, anything connected to a major political figure is carefully examined to avoid creating a sudden surge of public reaction. Whenever documents involving a high-profile figure like Trump get altered or removed, the public's first reaction is usually suspicion. Americans care deeply about transparency and fairness. Even a small change becomes a big question. Is something being hidden? Some believe it's simply maintenance. Others think the timing feels too convenient. And that division in perception makes the story even more viral. What's interesting is how this seemingly small event can influence the broader political landscape. One side argues that removing the files might help reduce media pressure. The other side believes it sparks more doubt and damages public trust. Either way, it unintentionally becomes part of the communication battle between both parties. From a neutral law enforcement viewpoint, public documents are never entirely static. They sometimes need adjustments to ensure accuracy, protect individuals, or update new information. Because of that, a file being removed does not automatically mean there's misconduct. But the strong reaction from the public reveals something important: trust is fragile. And transparency is more valued than ever. As of now, there is no confirmed evidence that the removal of Trump's documents was intentional or politically motivated. However, the situation continues to attract enormous attention. And people will definitely keep watching what happens next. If there are any new developments, I'll be here to break them down and give you a clear, neutral perspective based on years of experience in law enforcement. If you want more breakdowns of political stories and behind-the-scenes insights that mainstream media often overlooks, leave a comment and follow the channel. Together, we'll continue uncovering what the public doesn't usually see on the surface of American politics.